High testosterone in males and females. Main signs. Abnormally high testosterone levels can cause problems for both males and females. Testosterone is a male sex hormone, but females also produce small amounts of it. In females, testosterone's functions include the regulating of libido, bone mass, and muscle mass, as well as the production of sperm. In females, testosterone assists in the growth and maintenance of female reproductive tissue and bone mass. Normal amounts of testosterone are essential for health. However, too much can cause several issues, including problems with fertility and an increased risk of certain types of cancer. In this video, we discuss the signs of high testosterone in males and females. Signs of high testosterone in males. A 2017 study involving more than 9,000 men living in Europe and the United States found that the normal total testosterone range for males aged 19 to 39 years is 264 to 916 nanograms per deciliter. Levels higher than this are abnormally high. Men with very high testosterone levels may experience acne, aggressive or risk-taking behaviors, excessive body hair, headaches, heart or liver problems, high blood pressure or hypertension, high sex drive, libido, increased appetite, infertility, insomnia, low sperm count, mood swings, prostate enlargement which may cause difficulty passing urine, swelling of the legs and feet, unexplained weight gain. Causes in males. It is uncommon for high baseline testosterone levels in males to occur naturally. Often, abnormally high testosterone levels in males result from anabolic steroid use. Athletes and bodybuilders sometimes use these drugs to improve athletic performance and build muscle mass. Supplementation with testosterone, whether a person has a prescription or obtains it illegally, can also increase testosterone levels. Other causes of high testosterone levels in males including tumors in the adrenal glands or testicles. Sex hormone producing adrenal tumors are rare, affecting 2 out of every 1 million people. They may be non-cancerous, benign or cancerous. Signs of high testosterone in females. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention (CDC), the normal total testosterone range for adult females is 8.37 to 48.8 nanograms per deciliter. Results above this indicate abnormally high testosterone levels. High testosterone in females can cause acne, anxiety or depression, darkened, thickened skin, deepening of the voice, enlarged clitoris, excess facial and body hair, increased muscle mass, infertility, irregular periods, loss of libido, reduction in breast size, thinning hair, weight gain. Causes in females. Similarly to males, females may experience high testosterone levels as a result of anabolic steroid use or tumors of the adrenal glands or ovaries. However, abnormally high testosterone in females typically results from a medical condition such as polycystic ovary syndrome. Polycystic ovary syndrome or PCOS is one of the most common causes of high testosterone in females. PCOS affects up to 20% of all females of reproductive age. Signs and symptoms including irregular menstrual periods, lack of ovulation, excess hair on the body, and cyst on the ovaries. Doctors do not know the exact cause of PCOS. Possible long-term complications of PCOS include infertility, obesity, type 2 diabetes, and heart disease. Prompt treatment can reduce the risk of complications. Congenital adrenal hyperplasia. Congenital adrenal hyperplasia, or CAH, is a group of rare genetic disorders that affect the adrenal glands. Those with congenital adrenal hyperplasia lack one of the enzymes necessary to regulate the production of certain hormones, which can lead to the overproduction of testosterone. Congenital adrenal hyperplasia may be mild or severe. There is no cure for this condition, but treatment can reduce symptoms and improve quality of life. Diagnosing high testosterone. Doctors typically use the following procedures to diagnose high testosterone in males and females. A physical examination. A doctor may check for signs and symptoms of high testosterone, including excessive body hair, acne, and increased muscle mass. They will also ask about a person's libido and mood. If relevant, the doctor may inquire about the person's menstrual cycle. Blood tests. A doctor may order blood tests to check the person's testosterone hormone levels. They may also check the levels of glucose and cholesterol, as these are commonly raised in people with high testosterone. As testosterone secretion is typically highest in the early morning hours, the doctor will often draw blood for the test in the morning. Ultrasound. A doctor may check for PCOS by taking an ultrasound of the ovaries and uterus. How to manage the symptoms. Lifestyle changes and home remedies can help manage the symptoms of high testosterone. In some cases, they can reduce testosterone levels. Weight management. It is important to achieve and maintain a moderate body weight to aid hormonal balance. In people with PCOS, for example, a modest weight loss of even 5 to 10% of body weight can improve symptoms and reduce testosterone levels. Dietary changes. A 2015 study showed that a low-starch, low-dairy diet helped reduce testosterone levels in females with PCOS after 8 weeks. It also improved insulin sensitivity. Insulin resistance is a complication of PCOS. Hair removal treatments. Several home remedies or professional treatments can remove excessive facial and body hair. Options include plucking, shaving, waxing, chemical depilatories. Bleaching the hair is another option. It will not remove the hair, but it can make it less visible. For more long-lasting results, a person may wish to consider electrolysis or laser hair removal. When to seek help. Individuals who have signs of high testosterone should talk to their doctor. It is important to seek help for high testosterone because without treatment it can increase the risk of heart and liver problems and other serious conditions. A 2020 study suggests that high testosterone can increase the risk of type 2 diabetes, PCOS, breast cancer, and endometrial cancer in females. It can also increase the risk of prostate cancer in males, but it may lower their risk of type 2 diabetes.